Hi friends, this is Mad Indian again, and I am going to play with the Varikala Raj again. And if there is a noise in background, I am sorry for that. So I got one achievement, and that's not great achievement. Every time you marry to someone, you get that achievement. So where are we? I revoked some uh, titles, and now it's good. Although I have one extra domain, and there is a peasant rebel going to happen in 6 months. Okay, so I think I will run the game about 6 months. I quell the rebellion, and then I will conquer Manipur. And in the meantime, I can upgrade some of my buildings. Most importantly, I can do the special building here, the elephantry. The elephantry building. Oh, I am missing one gold. This is unfortunate. I am missing only one gold. Ransom. Yes. Okay. So now I have the money to build my first elephantry building construct. And second thing, I have to invite some knights. Process will, yes. This will take another 24 hour month years, not hours. Yes, we got one knight, 18. I recruit him. Yes. How many knights I have? Knights. Don't have 20 golds. And what scheme I'm doing? Owing someone. I know the thing is the this portion of no. He's a giant, a great marshal. Okay. No. Oh. The rebellion is over, and I want this guy to one of my knight. Now, what is the situation of my troops? Not good. Uh, but now, oh, Manipur conquered by this guy. Who is this guy? How many troops he have? He is not. Then I think I have to. Yes, I took much time. So I think I have to attack the Christiandra's duchy and as a ally. Ally don't have much troop and he has lots of troops. Okay, so Srihatto, who is the owner of this? How many title here? Okay, I think I have to fabricate a claim on this count. Um, oh, fabricate a claim. In the meantime, I will try to. And what about this? Which county have low? Oh, low control is three counties: Mutara, Chandradip, and Bikrampur. Okay, so how much time will it take? 5 years. Okay. My dynasty is obscure, so it's bad. It's bad. And due to the low control, my income become very low. I hate that. Okay, I can unlock a diplomacy park. What should I take? Defense scheme. Okay. Now, the scheme. Okay, so my son is get the state posse. It's good. Uh, Now I will run a different. Still, he is not okay. Start the game. Let's see what happens. Why they are all angry on me? Probably because I am tyrant. Oh, it's okay. And any of my kids need yes, this kid needs a guardian, but okay, he's uh, he's going to be a steward. Defend scheme event. I should able to help along my attempts to befriend Thakur Prananarayan by presenting him with a gift. Finding the perfect gift for someone can truly show how much you care about them. No, I don't want to care and spend my money on friendship scheme. Okay, I don't have much prestige. I have some gold, but not much. Greetings, Raja Kantideva of Horikela. I have heard good things about you, and I am interested in starting a written conversation. I hope that this letter finds you willing, for I am awaiting your swift reply. Ajasotru Raj, this guy. Yeah. Here. Okay. Let's start exchanging letters. Greetings, Raja Kantideva of Horikela. Thank you for your swift response. I am looking forward to our correspondence. Please, I implore you, pick the first subject for our discussion. Okay, etiquette. Again, a friendship scheme. Interpreting my recent friendliness as a sign, Thakur Prananarayan has came to me with concern for one of my prisoners. Okay, I have to release this guy. Okay, good, fine. You can have the prisoner. To the cowardly Raja of Kantideva, are you trying to make me feel like an idiot? Your last letter, was full of obscura. I could not follow one sentence in three. And to think I used to value your friendship. Don't care about him. He can fuck himself. Okay. Now I am in debt again. Okay. Just let me go to positive and then I will attack Sriot. Befriend an awkward meal. After learning that Thakur Prananarayan would be guesting at a manor in a village of Tatigama, I realized that it would be perfect occasion to meet with him. When the time come, I was started seated right next to Thakur Prananarayan for the entirety of the dinner, but I found myself incapable of saying anything interesting. Okay, so it look like I can be friend with anyone. Okay, this guy, I want to be your friend. Yes, at least he is interested to being my friend. Pause after the task. Some of my counselor believes the job is there by right of blood or influence alone. How wrong they are. I expect result, yet I am often disappointed. After a long day, I am complaining to Gaurima Devi with when she interrupts me. Let me do something about it, husband, and a few lessons might be sharpen their wits. So my wife wants to teach someone from my council, Marshall and 14 Stuart. Okay, Stuart and diplomat Purohit. I don't care about Purohit. I think this guy, my spy master, is not good. Okay. Yeah, the my spy master increased some of his skills, and in few months I will be in positive, so I can wage a war. And I am we still need 17 years to uh, get the Casus Belli. Okay, it's okay. He's fighting for Kamtapur. My liege, the Great Pala. Why is he asking for conversion? I don't want to convert. I want to get the achievement of conquering, controlling all the Hindu holy sites. Hmm. Although I will change my sect from Soiva to Sakta, because Bengalis are mainly Saktas and they worship the goddess. Okay, defend scream, defend an enjoyable evening. After learning about Raja Aditya Sura would be guesting at a minor village of Darbhanga, I realized that it would be perfect occasion to meet with him. By my request, I was seated next to him for the duration of dinner, and we both had a great time. I was surprised that how much we had to talk about. By the time I left, I felt as though we had known each other for lifetime already. Finally, I got a friend. Okay, can I be friend with this guy again? No, until 9 904. It's too long. Mm, then who is there? Who are you? Okay, I think no. He's a kid. I can be friend with a kid. That's strange. I don't know why can't I. Okay, I think I will. Why? Why you don't like me? I am a good person. Man, please like me. I am a good person. I am not bad person. Yes, yes. I although revoke some titles, but it's not your title. Let them worry about it. Why are 15%? Don't know what is problem with them. Probably they are Buddhist. That is the problem with them. Okay, let me sway. Hmm. Now what to do? Now I have to declare war. He don't have ally. I don't have. How many? Oh, I don't have prestige. Shit. I don't have any prestige. Actually, I don't know if you like my presentation. I know it. I am new to this kind of gameplay videos, and I'm hoping to get better. So please write the comment if you want and advise me how to improve my uh, gameplay and the presentation. And look like I got another diplomacy lifetime lifestyle part. I don't. I want to complete this patriarch lifestyle trait. So I don't have any option. I will take the heart of the family. The family members will love me. And the thing is, okay. I need. Oh, I can't hunt. All hunt. I don't have money for that. I am a very poor guy. Oh, okay. Chancellor died. I need a new chancellor, and now the thing is, do I have any more knights available for recruit? I don't have money, but I have money for this one. Okay. Uh, any of my kids need education? Yes. This kid is a diplomat. I can, but I don't want to. Yes. Viswasingo, you taught her. Good. Now the thing is, despite of my efforts, my only son is not good. He didn't get the inheritable trait from my wife. Now, he is swayed. I gained a level of devotion. Don't care about that, because in the current state of my religion, I can wage holy war, and the infidels are nowhere near me. Acha, ask him at the court. My spy master had come to me with a grave news. While we do not yet know who, someone is plotting to kill my Marshal Bhairav Singh. Someone want to kill my Marshal. Okay, let him. I don't care about that. If he go on, I will have another Marshal. Not any problem. Loyalty or fear? As their Raja, my vassals owe me their allegiance. My word is law. Another okay. Generous lease. As Raja, I have been obliged to attend a local sparring tournament, but contest, contestants have been delayed. The tourney won't start for at least another hour. My Pai Master Damapati that event again, and he lose prestige, I lose trace, I gain prestige, okay. So I can wage war. Fine. Declare war. Your claim. Raise army. I don't know why my Army is so weak. I got another knight. Good. What about my son? I want. Greetings, my benign liege. I have been hosting your chancellor, Dhir Singh, for some times now. The way he imposed himself on my home, all while encouraging no less than governing, prevailing servitude to you, disgust me. Okay, Dhir Singh did something wrong with Thakur Prananarayan or Navadip. Okay, only vessel I have. He just destroyed my relationship with him, and I don't know that he, uh, I can I will recruit. Fine. Okay, my daughter, first daughter, um, grew up. They grew up first. Grew up. He is a skilled tactician, and she is a skilled tactician, and nothing good. So I think alliance power, biggest alliance power. Okay, Narayan Pala. Oh, you will be a queen, my daughter. Okay, his own. First, let me see if I can ransom someone. I can ransom him for 10 gold. I can ransom him for nothing. I don't want. Okay, then I think I should. Now, and character, ruler, not ruler, adult, gender, male, title status, unmarried, imprisonment status, free, books, I don't care, religion, Hindu, culture, Bengali, dynasty, lowborn. Okay, now, uh, okay, grand title, this one, good. So I have grown a bit. Uh, I should have scheme for another. Who is the owner of this guy and this in negligible troops, and uh, also he don't have much troops, and also he don't have allies. So I think I will now start to fabricate on him. Good. Uh, okay. I know this in this preliminary stages my game is too much low. Although my troops are growing, and what about the Casus Belli? Still 10 years. Okay, my liege owner got one county. I don't know why he's fighting forever for this for only this one county. I don't know, and but it's a jungle county. Actually, I can keep Srihotta because it's a jungle county too, but I can't have it all. Sorry, I feel sorry for me actually, and I have really low domain limit, but my son is bossy and he's training for stewardship. Good. I want him to be a steward. Educate child? No, I am not qualified. Who is the best steward in my realm? Mind character? Uh, all. Of course, adult. All. Best steward in my realm? Please, Vishwas Devi. No, 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 no. Then, mm, okay, okay. I think I may start to uh, find someone from the top realm. Top realm. Oh, not Hindu. All okay. Now, this Gayatri, who is he? Who is he? Hmm. Forward. This one. Okay, send for. Don't care. I need a good guardian. That's all. And who has good stewardship education. Okay. Hmm. Okay. I didn't do much in this episode, but it's almost over half an hour. So I am going to end this episode today. Hopefully, from the next episode, it will be more interesting. Thank you for joining us, and please, if you like my presentation or my gameplay, you can subscribe, and please subscribe. It's new channel, and I am trying to get better in this thing. Thank you. Uh, there will be a episode tomorrow too, and